friends, let's jump straight into this mighty song, and as always we'll do all the guitar parts, so let's get into it. So guitar 1 for our intro, we're going to play the open E string and then the high E string. Then play the G, hammer onto the first fret, so open, hammer onto the first fret. Second fret on the D. Then play the open D, hammer onto second fret, pull off to the open. Second fret A, open, G. Then do the start again, open, E, G, open, hammer onto first fret, second fret D, on the D, open, second fret open, so hammer on, pull off, second fret on the A, then play open G, bend the third fret on the E, then go back to the first one again, and then to finish off we play the open E again, high E, open G, hammer onto first fret, then we have this run down, it's a little bit odd, D, second fret, open, first fret, and then do the same on the A. Second fret, open, first fret, and then second fret on the E. Then we have the main riff to the song. We're going to play the G power chord 2 times, to F sharp, back to G 2 times. And we're doing that twice. And again. Then just come down a string and do the same. C 2 times, to B, back to C. And do that again. And that's guitar 1 for our intro. Guitar 2 is just playing the higher power chords. So we're going to play 12 on the D, G and B 2 times, back to 11, to the 12, and do that 2 times. Then we're going to play 12 on the G, 13 on the B, 12 on the E 2 times. Go back 1 fret and back up to the 12, 13, 12. And we do that 2 times. And that's our intro there. Then for our verse we're going to continue that pattern on the G to F sharp, back to the G 2 times. To the C to the B 2 times. And again. Back to the G the same. Now this time we're going to do the C to the B once. Then do C 2 times back to the B. And then G 2 times back to the F sharp. Then we're going back to our intro riff again, and the first part stays the same. Now this last one's going to change. Play the open E, open E. This time play the open G, hammer onto first fret, pull off to the open. Second fret D, open G, and then just an A power chord. And that's guitar 1 there. Now guitar 2's not playing in that last fill. We're just playing along like we did in the intro with our high G and F sharp. So to our C to B. And finish the same as we did with guitar 1. So we're going to do the C to B and then our G to F sharp. And then all the parts to the verse. for our chorus, guitar 1 is just playing E power chord, to the B, to the A, then just play 4 D and G, 2 D and G, open D and G. We do that 3 times. E, B, A, 3 times. In the 4th one, do the E, B, stop on the A, and then we're doing the rundown like we did in the intro. G, open, hammer onto 1. On the D, 2, open 1. On the A, 2, open 1. And then 2nd fret on the E, and then go back to our main riff, the G, 2 times. Again, to the C. And that's guitar 1. Guitar 2 is slightly different here. We're going to start on the E power chord, do it down, up, down. Then play open E and the open E and B. So we have to the B power chord, then go to the A power chord, go down, up, 2 mutes, and then just down 4 D and G, 2 G and G, open D and G. And then just repeat that 3 times from the E power chord, but don't do the down, up, down, just do the down. 3 times, and the 4th time start stays the same. Play a B power chord and stop on the A, then go back to our high chords again. To our C. And that's our first chorus there. Then go back to the verse, and that stays exactly the same. Then we have our second chorus, and the only change here is our last A for our first guitar. We still play the E, B, A 3 times, then do E, B, A. Now he's using his selection switch on the Gibson. He's got one of the volumes down and he's turning it on and off by flicking the switch. So that's the only change there. Guitar 2 stays the same and ends on the E, B, and just stop the A, and the first guitar's doing the selection switch there. So that's our second chorus. So for our outro, we're playing the A power chord. Then we're doing these octave chords. So 5 on the A, 7 on the D, slide up to 7 and 9. Back to 5 and 7, slide up to 7 and 9 again. 5 and 7, 3 and 5. So. And we repeat that 3 times. And the 4th time we play the A. Do the 5 and 7, slide up to the 7 and 9. Then just play the D power chord 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going back to our first fill again. Now here, instead of playing the A power chord, go to the E power chord. Then we go back to the A riff like we did at the start of the outro. Do that 2 times, and then do the same thing but down a string. So we're going to have the E, 5 and 7, 5 on the E string, 7 on the D string. Do that 2 times, then go back to the A riff again, do that 2 times, back to the E riff, and we keep doing the E riff till the end there. So then we have guitar 2, and it's pretty much following guitar 1. We play the A power chord. We're not going to do the octave power chords. We're going to do 7 D and G, slide up to 9, and then 7 D and G, slide up to 9, back to 7, back to 5. And we're going to do that 3 times. And then the 4th time, follow the first guitar and just a D power chord. Then we don't play through the fill, and then we go back to that riff again. 2 times. Then just drop to the E and do the same. This time we're playing 7th fret on the A and the D. Repeat that. And back to the A, do the fill again, and then finish on the E riff. And there are all the parts there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Torpedo Girl guitar lesson. Don't forget, if you love Kiss, to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.